In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Logitech webcam if it isn't working. I'm going to show you a few fixes. One of these should get the job done. So first, what I would do is go to Start, then go to Settings. And once you're in Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices. Here you can scroll down and you'll see Cameras. If you click on it, you may see your webcam and it may be grayed out and be disabled. If it's disabled, all you need to do is unplug your webcam and plug it back in, and you then will be able to see it in disabled cameras. You can then go ahead and click on it and enable it. As you can see, I can currently disable it because mine is currently working. So if you can't even see it here in the cameras section, there are some other things that I would do. So the first thing you could do, if you go ahead and go to the search bar, type in Device Manager. Once you're in Device Manager, we can find the webcam. So go to Imaging Devices and then right click and then click Update Driver. You can then search automatically for drivers. If it doesn't work or you can't find it, then what we can do is manually add the driver. For me, it says I already have the best driver enabled. If you want to manually add the driver, you can download it and then find it manually. So I have the Logitech C920, so I'm going to type in here Logitech C920 driver, and then you can type in your webcam, it should come up. Click on this and then you can see here is the driver, which we can go ahead and download. Once you've got it downloaded, you can right click, click Update Driver, and then browse your computer for the driver, and you can go ahead and find the download location and then click Next and install it that way. Apart from that, what I would do is unplug it, try it in a new USB port, reset your computer, and just make sure it isn't disabled in settings like I first showed you. Rewatch this video if you need, and thank you for watching.